Hi there, this is part of the times tables number grid, and you can see that I've made each of these numbers from a geometric shape. The square numbers are made from squares, and the numbers adjacent to the square numbers are made from triangles. So 12 is made from two triangles, 1 plus 2 plus 3, and then another 1 plus 2 plus 3. 20 is also made from two triangles, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and so on down this yellow diagonal. Every number is made from two triangles. You can think of these two triangles slightly differently. If you rotate one of the triangles and squeeze it all together, you can make them into rectangles. You can see here that the number 20 is a nearly square rectangle, and the number 12 is also a nearly square rectangle. It's nearly square because the sides aren't quite equal. They're as close to being equal as you can be with whole numbers. So 6 is nearly square, 30 is a nearly square rectangle. All these numbers are nearly square rectangles. These nearly square rectangles, if you go up diagonally this way, they become less and less square and more elongated. And if you look at the actual square numbers as you move up this way, a little chunk gets taken out of them. 36 goes to 35, which goes to 32, which goes to 27, which goes to 20. Looking at it without the numbers present, you can see the pattern here. We have squares that get chunks taken out of them, and we have either rectangles that become more elongated or twin triangles that get the tops taken off them. I'll just put up a version of this that's all triangles and no rectangles. If you have a look at these twin triangles and what happens to them as they move further and further away from the centre. First of all, this number here, which is the number 30, and then if you take 2 away, you will get 28, which would be this one here, and then if you take 4 away, you'll get 24. I can't take 4 away. And then you're going to want to take 6 away, and that is 18. And then take 8 away, and you're left with 10. You can see this is true for all of these diagonals that go through the triangles. We've got 42 goes to 40, goes to 36, so take away 2, take away 4, take away 6 in this sequence here. Looking at the pattern as a whole, you can see that we have squares and double triangles. Squares becoming more truncated as they move away from the centre, and double triangles getting the tops taken off them, more and more layers as they move away from the centre. It makes an interesting geometric pattern, and if you've had to fill this in hundreds of times in school and maybe you're getting a little bit bored with it, you might think about filling it in using a different method. You might think about filling in the squares first and then moving diagonally out, say from 16 to 15 to 12, taking away odd numbers. And then doing the same with these almost square rectangle numbers, the 12 and the 20, moving away, taking away even numbers. You might find it less boring than filling it in the normal way. Thanks for watching. Bye.